Hello and welcome to my video. This is the third floor condo, Vanity backsplash in the ensuite. Originally wasn't going to post this, but I figured I might as well. It could help you out. So on this job, what I did was I took the center, I strike the center line, and I just dry gauged it to see what the ends would be and the height. Unfortunately, I can't make a full to the top, so I'm gonna have to do like a half and a half on the bottom. So I'm going to test that out and see what's gonna happen. And if it worked out that I could actually do a full on each side. I believe I have like an eighth on each side, which is okay because it can be grouted and then acrylic for the painters. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this and I hope this helps. And like I said, a job is a job. So thank you. And please like, share, and subscribe to my well thought out videos. Bye.